Hey everyone, I hope you all had a fantastic week and weekend. I know that I'm on the Sunday, halfway through. So it's been quite good so far. Beautiful weather, even though we're heading into winter where I live. Let's start off with EU. We had a pretty nice movement this week. Our first candle was the Monday candle just here, and had a bit of a push up, but nothing really to write home about. In the last 3 days were all down, all bears. On the Wednesday we had some contention point as well as the Thursday at the bottom of these candles at the 145.80 to 145.50 zone. Approach with caution around there because price did judder a little, but overall it did push down, as is quite obvious via the chart. The week to come, we haven't made a new high. So this is something to keep in mind, as well as we have broken the swing low down here. So keep that in mind as you are trading the EU. The odds that we will push down over a longer period of time, are quite high, unless price can break this last swing point. But this will be a few days before that happens, if at all, for quite a period of time. As you can see, we're heading towards a couple of support and resistance areas that we've got to keep an eye on. 142.80 to 142.50 area is the first one we're going to come up against. So I expect a little bounce. Maybe we'll retrace the 145. Unsure yet, but we should see a little bounce from here. If not, the next one down is the 140.50 to 140.00 flat area, where price had used this area as support after it broke through and pushed higher. It retraced, and this is where the last major swing point was, back to this point after the push down. Made no new high, so the bias for the next week will be weekly down for EU. Alright, so just keep an eye on those two zones. You might get a nice little bounce long. Watch price action on a shorter time frame to get that, but remember the risk. Alright, pushing on to GU. GU basically stuffed around for the entire week until the last day, and then the last day it pushed down strong. It broke clean through the 162.50 to 163 zone and did close below it. I anticipate us to be heading for this 159.50 zone. As a EU, just like I said before, we've made no new swing high. So price is looking to start to make a move for the downward. We did break this last swing point just here, but we've still got this major contention point right at the 159.50 area. So keep a close eye on that as price does get closer. Between these 162 and 159.50, there isn't much support and resistance that you would deem as high quality or high odds for taking longs or even retrace shorts. The only one I would deem as anything worthy is a retrace short of this 163 area. So just keep an eye on that. That's this area just here. As I said last week, we won't be doing GJ, but we will be doing AU. So 3 USD pairs. Now this has its double-edged sword. You can be caught in multiple trades in the wrong way, but do note that if you are looking at all these 3 pairs, when they are out of sync, like they're not going in the same direction, they've got huge mixed signals on the daily and weekly time frames I'm talking about, then overall you just got to approach with caution or to sit on the sidelines while you wait. Now AU has done pretty much the same things, moved sideways for the first couple of days, so just here. It was really unclear whether the price wanted to push up, but this has been made very clear now. That price has closed. It did try to get some traction just on Thursday, and off this 1 1.0570 mark and tried to push higher. There's a lot of rejection here in the end of last week, so it wasn't too surprising that price did roll over. We're aiming for this 104 mark just here, see if we can break it, but only time will tell. It's pretty clear that we're starting to step down. We could start to form a channel here, so sorry about that line, so just keep an eye on that. Alright. Oops, yeah, that line's stuffed. Anyway, you get the idea. Channel that goes down this way. Other than that, that's about it for this week. Keep an eye on this zone. We won't see any more zones until the 103 and then 102.50 for AU. Well, thanks for joining us again, and be sure to have a fantastic week, and remember to keep it tight when you're trading. Assess the odds for each trade. Take your time. There's no need to rush. And do your analysis and place your trade. Take care.